Hey guys, OzGrillus here. Today I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Twitch. For those of you who are new and haven't followed anyone yet, I'm going to show you how to do it from your mobile and from your computer. Let's do it. Real quick, a few little things about my channel before we get started is I do streaming tutorial videos here on YouTube. They include Twitch tutorials, Streamlabs OBS tutorials, ways to grow your channel. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty of videos there. Check them out. Let's get to it. Here we are on the mobile. If you wanted to learn how to stream your mobile to the PC like I'm doing right now, check out this video up above. What we're going to do is go to the Twitch app. And what I'm going to do is scroll straight down to someone who is recommended, who I do not follow, which will be, say, Beersy. We all love a beer. So you'd see the little love heart up the top right. You would hit it, and then it shows you are following the person. Real simple, guys. If you wanted to actually search for someone, what you would do is hit the magnifying glass up the top right, and then you would search for who you wanted, and then you would click on that said person, say OzGrillus example, and follow them. So that's how you do it on the mobile. I'm going to show you how to do it on the desktop. Alright, so here we are on the Twitch main page, and what we're going to do here is just click on anyone here, live channels you think that I like. I think I follow most of these people. I don't follow the MASH Live. Okay, so we're going to load up the MASH Live. And we're in an ad now because I don't subscribe to the man, but what we're going to do down the bottom right here is where you would click that follow button, and then you would be following the person. So it's quite simple. If you wanted to search for someone in particular, you go up the top here and you would click on OzGrillus and hit that follow button. Quite simple. Or for whoever else you wanted to search, you know, just saying. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. It was a very basic video. It's more for people who are just starting out on Twitch who still don't know how to follow someone. So that's where it caters for. If you want to keep up to date with everything, make sure you follow my Twitter. It's OzGrillus on Twitter. Also, if you wanted to join a Discord for streamers, Gamers Corner, the link would be in the description below. We are a community of streamers all trying to grow together. So make sure you check that out. And of course, please subscribe to this channel. All your support means so much. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.
Missed him.